Okay, a quick video. I got a Honda push mower, but it's a drive. And the deal is, the mower works great. This has got a 3-speed plastic gearbox. And I got the pulley to work. It's turning, so you can see it in there. And now it's used to belt up. We got a little more tension in the spring. And this side works fine. But this bushing is locked up. Now I had been grabbing the axle with some vice grips and beating on it and tapping on it for about an hour. And I decided to go ahead and hook a decent drill up to it and try to twist it that way. This piece here will lock it on. I'm going to try this one hand, I don't know. Yep. Oh, it's got a lot easier already. It used to be pretty hard. Yes, it's much better. Yeah, I think it's cooled off too. And that helps it. I'm going to go backwards here. So the pushing is breaking in again. I think it'll work. Alright, give it a shot. Oops, shouldn't have done that.